All right, Henry McClure live. Acres of heaven right here, baby. This is Jackson County, Kansas, just north of Shawnee. Pretty sure we can cut through here somewhere. No, I could get through there for sure. Whoa, hang on, hang on. Whoa, Nelly. Oh yeah, here, check it out, baby. An acre is 46,560 square feet. And we got 80 of those. You follow? I might be trespassing on this one. They're little... They forgive their trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. Here in Kansas. The same guy does the hay for both properties. Well, there we go. Yeah, it probably goes down to that hedgerow. There we go. Henry McClure live. Here, let's just give you a little tour. You got nothing else to do right now. See how long it takes to get to civilization or a blacktop. There's some people that just do not want to live off blacktop. It's a beautiful farm right there, baby. '94th and Marple. You just want to see what's going on for a while? This is why I came home. It just makes me want to sing the Green Acres song. Green Acres is the place to be. Not that bad though.